We're here at the shop at Kitagawa NorthTech. We are at our test stand here in the final stages of testing for a project that's using a standard off-the-shelf FG face clamping chuck, but it has been equipped with a set of custom jaws and a custom locator. For this particular application, customer had a thin-walled ring workpiece. They didn't want to deform it, so we didn't use a typical sliding jaw chuck. What this particular application will do is these jaws will actually just clamp on the face of the part to minimize distortion. But because of the way this chuck functions, one unique aspect is that it doesn't center the part by itself. We had to design and build a custom locator which will provide all the centering for the workpiece. We've got a number of hard stop locators here to locate the part in the Z-axis, and then we have some pins that will help to orient the part. So when the customer loads their workpiece in here, this spring-loaded device will center the part and then allow the chuck to bring the workpiece back against these hard stops for a secure clamp. Thank you guys for watching.